on the hunt for churros. To add to the room tour, so we slept with like these storm shutters closed, these here. We also closed the blackout curtains. It was so dark in here, we could not find our way around the room.
It was too dark to see anything.
What we're doing today, do the walking tour, so welcome to Madrid tour. And then after that, we are going for lunch at the market. From there, we're just flow going after that.
I just try to go to the flow, you know?
Go with the flow.
Yeah.
Go with the flow.
Also national holidays.
Oh yeah, so today is like Spain's national holiday. It's their July 4th, Canada Day, literally Spain Day. We'll see what happens with that. So we stopped at a little cafe to grab breakfast and coffees. Little funny story there. It's a little chaotic. There's a big group of Italians that were there as well. And then we were trying to look at like what's available. And I leaned over to tell Mandy, these people are Italian. Before I said that, as I'm leaning over, I'm like, these. And then I look at the person, it was an old blonde lady who was with the group of Italian people.
That's what Mandy looks like, an old blonde lady.
Okay, old. She's like 50.
You guys are older than us.
Saw the blonde hair, and I didn't know where she was. There was a big group, and I leaned over. I thought she was still beside me. And we both just started laughing. She knew I wasn't trying to talk to her. She knew that like, I was with Ben. It was quite funny. We're on our way to the metro. We have exactly an hour to get to the Opera train station. That's where our walking tour starts. What?
So notice how where the McDonald's is. Just look at the guy. I'll turn it on. It's quite a mishmash of many styles, and I'm going to show you the original one. I'm not that very well, right in the middle. You'll find that in Versailles everywhere. This is just the show now. The golden crown is atop the building. Space is as old as the square. Notice the style is. Thanks to the virus, that was pretty bad. And I want you to remember, because Madrid is very close, representing the old and the new world, the columns, see the colors. And the rest of it. Let me show you this before we take a stroll. Some people in Spain go like, no, let's go even further. Look, everybody look at the sculpture up there, because one of my favorite rooftop bars is up there. And this and the old photographs are big, which is why Goya the brand and painted black. And instead of people there with the black, in the middle of a parade, I'll be very.
We just finished our walking tour. We're heading back to Gran Via. And you see we're actually walking opposite most of the people. They're walking away from the parade. We're going back that way. We're gonna try to find somewhere to eat because it's lunchtime. We're both hungry. We're gonna go check Tim Hortons to see what they have that's different. But like, as you can tell, the amount of people around, Might be difficult.
Wow, these people here. There's too many people on this earth.
Probably a coffee and orange juice. Timbits. I want a Boston cream timbit. I know,
Way
right?
nicer. Iced maple
We just finished doing Spain Tim Hortons. We needed a break to sit down and relax our backs a little bit. So I had an iced latte. Mandy had a refresher. We had some Timbits. Correct me if I'm wrong. I didn't think we had Boston cream Timbits in Canada. Mandy seems to think so. I don't seem to think so, but
Yeah, you're right. Adams is the best.
we had a dulce de leche and Biscoff
Biscoff.
Timbit. It was good. It was a fun experience. Now we're off heading back to the third palace of the royal family. But on the way, we're going to stop somewhere for lunch. So some fun news. So we took the Welcome to Madrid tour. There's the 2 o'clock tour, and that's our tour guide, Sebastian. That's the way he took us right there. The one thing that was really interesting he told us on our tour about this right here, that is the Royal Palace. And as you can see, there's snipers on the roof. You might be wondering why there's snipers on the roof.
The king! The king is here!
When you see the royal flag flying, that burgundy one, that means the king is there. The Spanish flag is always flying, but the burgundy one does not.
which is never.
He says that you never see that. So that's some cool thing that we got to experience by accident, by Seb. So we haven't seen anything yet. We're probably gonna wait another 5 minutes. Oh, what's that bee over there? That guy's got a hat on. It's a bee. You want an iPhone?
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna set it on the bench.
Oh. Good idea. All right, well,
Can't take it.
no, he was wiping it, he's sitting with it.
Oh.
All right. Yeah, they're sticking with it. I almost found a phone. So we're leaving the royal palace. We saw the royal family leaving. Honestly, not that exciting, but sitting down was okay. And now we're headed to the market. This is nice. Nice breeze. Shit. Mandy, swordfish. Now leaving the San Miguel market. It was an interesting experience. Didn't get anything there. Way too hectic. Now we are on the hunt for some churros before heading back to the hotel.
Travel vlog. Travel vlog.